given my experiences of semesters past, a lot of the stuff that I talk about are things I didn't think needed to be said anymore, but just the discourse that emerged from last semester with a lot of the, a lot of Islamophobia discussions that ensued, given that that was kind of the inspiration behind this piece. And it's called Confessions of a Muslim Female. I am oppressed by the constant inundation telling me that I do not have agency because I choose to cover my hair. I am a fundamentalist because I believe in the fundamentals of faith, one God, the prophets, the angels, the holy books, the last day, and divine will. I belong to the group of Taliban. The group of Taliban because Taliban means students in Arabic, and that's exactly the reason we're all here at Queen's University.
Woo!
I am uneducated about the supposed facts CNN and Fox News seem to have about my people. I am brainwashed by my religious leaders who tell me that my religion advocates peace and respect and that education is the tool of the believer. I am washing my brain of your fallacious propaganda. I am chained to my father by the love and compassion I feel towards the man who has enabled me with the tools to be strong and accomplish whatever I wish to pursue. I am unequal to men because we were not created with the same physique and they will never know what birthing a child is like, know what it's like to be female. I will have an arranged marriage that I will arrange for myself, with my parents' blessing, of course. I am battered by the media and their often false and biased portrayal of Islam and Muslims, leading to the common discourse that could not be further from the truth. I am subservient to this system that regularly others me and my people, imprison us, suspects us, and expects us to love it, embrace it, and engage it. I am not free because the society and its irrational fears dictate how I'm to live and behave, and that I cannot speak freely or openly for fear of being misconstrued. I am guilty before proven innocent because a suspected hunch regarding national security overrides any civil liberties I may have had. I am suspicious of your construction of me, my religion, my people, and all notions you may have of us and what you consider to be legitimate sources. I am vengeful against those who have hijacked my religion and made you believe false and hurtful things about it. I am a security risk, or my security is risked every single time I walk down University Avenue and someone yells a new angry epithet at me. I am a second-class citizen because I am not offered the same rights and have to prove myself to be Canadian simply because I do not act nor look like the status quo. I do not have the same ideals as you, the same ideals that encourage sloshing and wailing and partying on a street that tarnishes the name of my educational institution. I do not have fun through the same mediums of alcohol and partying with strangers, but instead choose to spend quality time with friends whose intellect, morals, and humor I value. I'm different because I'm not defined by my physical appearance and prefer that beauty instead resonates through the mind, intellect, morals, and devotion to the Lord. And I am victimized by my very own confessions. Thank you.